Hello everyone, we are here at SM to buy a centralized aircon with my daughter. Hello, Dr. Princess. Hello.
At depende kung ano makalalim siya sa outdoor na yun. Kasi
Wala.
yung copper tubing siya may additional talaga yun. 10 feet yun, diba? 10 feet din yung favorite of
Dr. Princess. We're waiting for the
Original price na lang niya 100.
centralized aircon.
Ano na yun?
Okay. God bless everyone. Bye. Yubo.
109,000 ang original. Magiging
Okay. Yubo, yubo. Yubo. Ali. Yan naman. Dito.
What's up?
Hello. We're here to buy centralized aircon. Okay, God bless everyone.